Comrades, you will forgive me if I give a special shout out to the comrades of Central Manchester. Comrades, at this time, while we acknowledge all the excellencies of the diplomatic corps and the representatives of foreign missions, given what has happened over the last 18 months and the breakthroughs that have been made in indicting some major criminals with the assistance of our foreign partners, I want to especially recognize the representatives of the Canadian High Commission, the British High Commission, and the United States Embassy, who have been our closest partners in this regard. On Friday night, at our launch, we had as a special guest Ambassador Bridgewater, a long-standing friend of Jamaica, distinguished for her anti-corruption and pro-education philosophy. I would like the representatives to know that all well-thinking Jamaicans appreciate the consistent and the strong stand the United States has taken against corruption and for law and order in Jamaica. We owe them a debt of gratitude for bringing justice to bear on the self-confessed drug lord Christopher Dodos Coke. And that the victims of both the Shower Posse and the Olin scandal have received some measure of justice in the courts of the United States. Comrades, some want me to stop talking about Dodos. But Santayana said, those who cannot learn from history are doomed to repeat it. And we want no more Jim Browns or Christopher Cokes in this country. Comrades, I now move to give you the report of the private session. Yesterday morning, at the Carl Hendrickson Auditorium at Jamaica College, delegates turned up in their thousands. They were vibrant and disciplined for the entire day. They sat, participated, listened attentively from 10 in the morning till after 6 when the comrade leader wrapped up her presentation. We discussed 10 resolutions, a number of which were adopted and others referred to the NEC for further consideration. We dealt with the election of officers, which was a short item as only the incumbent vice presidents and president were nominated. I want to here acknowledge the vice presidents and invite them to stand. Comrade Butch R. Scott, Comrade Fenton Ferguson, Comrade Derek Kelly. And you know, comrades, we had apologies from Comrade Angela Brown Burke, who is recuperating from minor surgery. And of course, we cannot talk about vice presidents without acknowledging the Vice President Emeritus, Comrade Red Pole Bull, Roger Clark.
Me no gone nowhere, no. Me there same way, yeah. Me no gone nowhere, them lose again. Yo, the gangster, they up on the gully side. If you want to know what you find.
As General Secretary, I gave my report on the state of the party. I spoke to the progress we have made in modernizing the Secretariat, in computerizing our membership database so that we can now generate delegates lists with a few keystrokes, something which took weeks the last time we had a contested election. We spoke about the advanced state of candidate selection, over 90% both at the parliamentary and local government election. We spoke of the improvement in our funding and also the fact that for the second year in a row, the Treasurer signaled that we have raised the bar of accountability for political parties in the Caribbean and submitted the audited statements for the People's National Party for the year ending June 2010. Big up the Treasurer of the party, Comrade Mark Golding. We acknowledged the tremendous work done by the Progressive Agenda Committee, led by our Vice Chairman, Comrade Tony Hilton, and what a professional launch we had at the Island Life Center a few weeks ago. Comrade Hilton, Comrade Davidson, and their teams deserve a huge round of applause. We spoke at the massive turnout of Conference 2010, which has now been dwarfed by the supermassive turnout of Conference 2011. And all the divisional and constituency conferences which were held between April and September 2011. And comrades, the Progressive Agenda people like us to be evidence-based. So we signaled two things, two pieces of evidence. Short of an election, two pieces of evidence of the state of the organization. The first is the huge lead in every opinion poll that has been published over the last 18 months of the PNP over the other minor party. And the second is the tremendous PNP Express bus tour inspired by the star boy, Comrade KD Knight. Give him a big round of applause.
Now I don't know if you're not satisfied with the man at report. One of the expect the commissioner them and the man select. So why you did expect? That man no fool. Sly man Bruce, your name gone abroad. Sly man Bruce, your name gone abroad. The man Bruce set up man at inquiry. Pick up him on a judge and jury. Get a report for suit him party. Sly man Bruce. Oh, the top people we lie. Intercept we call. We try to hit.
So, comrades, in concluding my report yesterday to the private session, I said to the delegates, your party is progressive, strong, and ready to face the upcoming political year and to ensure victory, not just for the party, but for the people of Jamaica. As I said, we then had the Treasurer's report, where Comrade Golding presented the party's audited accounts, and we saw the happy situation of funding more than doubling in the 2010-2011 year compared with the 09-010 year. Comrade Peter Phillips, as campaign director, gave an update on the initiatives and strategies being pursued by the campaign committee, and I wanted to big up Comrade Dr. Phillips for the work he has done as campaign director. And then, comrades, we had a special treat. We had an address by our beloved former leader, the most honorable Percival Noel James Patterson. I will just repeat two things that he said in his presentation yesterday. The first one, he says, drawing the analogy to the 200-meter race, which was run in Europe last week. He says the last 4 years, the PNP has been running the curve. Now this year, we're coming into the home stretch and will accelerate to victory like Johan Blake did last week when he did 19.26 seconds. Then he went on to speak about the dissatisfaction of so many groups in the society with this Labour-run administration. He spoke of the disaffected workers and the abuse piled upon them by this administration. He spoke of the disillusioned young people, even those with university degrees struggling to find employment. And he spoke of the business persons, small, medium, and large, who were desperately trying to make their businesses survive in this harsh economic climate and under the mismanagement of the JLP. And he concluded, and he said to the delegates, the time has come to talk to your neighbor. Make sure only one term for Labour. Then, comrades, we closed what was an excellent working session of conference with the party leader giving the delegates the charge to do the necessary work to ensure that the support reflected in the polls and the support reflected in this historic turnout for the 2011 annual conference is organized and converted to support in the ballot box, whichever election is called, local government or general election. So, comrades, in closing, I am pleased and proud to say to you that the state of your party in this political year is strong, well poised to go forward to 2011-2012 political year, progressive, ready and strong. One love, one heart, one destiny.
AI. Okay, get us up. Stand diggy diggy ding da dang da dang ding ba ba di di ding ba dang ba dang. Daga daga diggy diggy ding da dang da dang. Ba dang ba dang. Ba ba di di ba ba di di. Hey hey hey. Dem get da da da. Dem get da da da. Dem get da 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 da. Boy you AI. Okay, get us up. Stand diggy diggy ding da dang da dang ding ba ba di di ding ba dang ba dang.
A bigger cheer for the General Secretary of the People's National Party. All right. Comrades up there, everything all right up there? All right, good. Comrades, I went outside a while ago. I'm telling you, every space out there is taken. Really, General Secretary 3-1, it might be 4-1, and I'm not joking, no joke. All right, comrades, the next person who is going to come to the platform is none other than the Red Pole Bull. You know who that is? Well, I hope after you know what he's up here, you're going to cheer him the same way. He's coming to take money out of your pocket. Say yeah.
In my heart, I feel like a king, looking for a queen to call my own. In my palace, I've got 2 thrones. One is for me, the other is waiting. So, darling, can't you say you will be my queen and occupy my throne? Oh, in my heart, I feel like a king.
Comrade Chairman, comrade officers, comrade members of parliament in waiting, comrade councillors and councillor caretakers and councillors in waiting, members of the diplomatic corps, invited overseas guests, comrades, warriors, soldiers, strugglers of the People's National Party, one heart, one love. Comrades, this is the last conference before the next elections are called. And as I come to you today, comrades, to make an appeal. I want you to give me next year's money, next year's conference money with this year's conference money. I cannot recall a conference of this size ever being held in Jamaica. Indeed, this could be the largest political conference that has ever been held in the English-speaking Caribbean.
I'm suggesting that
last year's conference was dubbed the mother of all conferences. Well, this year's is indescribable. All I can say, as someone said before, PNP River come down bank to bank. I dare say, it is not a river, it is a sea. Comrade P.J. Patterson.
Nita Munzai. You said it, so walk blazing fire. Bad-minded people and one hand to wash the other. They were all sung by you, and now react back to you said it.
Unforgettable, that's what you are. Unforgettable, though near or far. Like a song of love that clings to me, how the thought of you does things to me. Never before has someone been more unforgettable.
Comrades, you see how PJ look young? Comrades, you believe Siaga could have got to a JLP conference? No. Comrades, I hear that the JLP says that we can go on. They will use money to defeat us in the next elections. But comrades, tell your neighbor too, when them bring the money, take the money. And after you take it, After you take the money, ask them where them get it from. And after you take it, tell them they have 4 years interest for you. So bring that come too. Tell them they can't starve you for 4 years and then bring a little something come to fool you up. So hold it and deal with them. I know that they will never be able to buy one People's National Party vote in the next elections. Comrades, to start the ball rolling, the General Secretary came up here and called out his constituency's name, and I charge him for that. I charge him $100,000. Put your hands together for $100,000 from Central Manchester. And comrades, I don't give anybody any burden that I won't bear. I am going to match him too from Central Westmoreland, $100,000. So the ball is now in your court. Don't make me look shame. Plenty people come, so plenty money about. I know it rough. But at least you can find something, and we want even the widow's mite today. Remembering that you're giving us next year's donation with this year's donation, because next year's conference will be after the victory. So comrades, bring the money come. Money. Money for the People's National Party. People are planning to enslave us. Let us pay to free ourselves. Money. Do I hear the first pledge? And the pledge forms are here. I just don't come up here for you to look at me, you know. I know I am a very handsome guy, but I don't think you just want to see me like that. Comrades, come forth. Do I hear 100,000? Do I hear a pledge for 50,000? You don't have any money. Bring the money, come. Come now, don't hold me up, man.
All right, good. Yeah, good. All right. Half a month ago, I tell me about a crash off a bike. Me lose me visa, but everything nice. Big up me teacher, car future bright. No worry about the car way. I'm okay, because me clean every day. Clocks and my beat me change 3 times a day. Buy out any bar, can me have money fi pay. You know it's a rasta not stray. I'm okay. If you look a girl, me not shy. Money stack and pipe straight up to the sky. Batman serious, me not tell a lie. Me not turn no GUI. I'm I couldn't wait them a stop. Up the sign that you plant up the crop. All ganja man, you know how me a chop. The other day the police stop. Them say the junkin' master. Junk again. I'm drinking. I'm drinking. Oh la. I'm drinking rum and Red Bull. And you see, let me heart full. Them want me get awful. Like them on the dance, I'll get grappled. And I'm rum and Red Bull. Like them on the dance, I'll get grappled. We start the day with a flask, cranberry with ice in a glass. As the light can't find me, me last. Buy me one a liquor, cause me and me one boss. Drink for junk that me endorse. After the flask, then we move to the quad. Tell the bartender the bill restart. MP and officers of Central Kingston,
$20,000. PNP Women's Movement, $25,000. Region 6, PNP Women's Movement. You want to hear the party leader? Well, pay to hear her. Bring the money, come.
TFR, Raya, friend for life. Yeah, now look your wife. Sean is a, yeah, Mr. Dre. Jupe Lion, Damien. Me nah sell out my friend. Nah go this my friend. Be a blessing, me son. Please your guide and protect them. Nah sell out my friend. Nah go this my friend. Be a blessing, me son. Please your guide and protect them. Me and my friends now are in the NSC. Cause my friends them know we no pre-bad energy. Cargo rise make menacy. And burn out bad mind, dirty heart and jealousy. Good friend better than pocket kind. So me keep my friend them close to mine. And me no hang them like close to
Swaggerific, I'm so swaggerific. Swaggerific, I'm so swaggerific. Bang book a giant, you're one a midget. Looking at me account a pure 8-digit. Swaggerific, I'm so swaggerific. Swaggerific, we so swaggerific. Bang book a giant, you're one a midget. Big car me drive, your car don't belitch it. Miss a G everywhere in every paper. Me name on the topic for every eater. Wait, till them see me out say the elevator. When me step up in the club, I mean the girls are wait for. Hold on, let me tell you what I want. From my mother push me out in a name brand my band. Dulce, Gucci, Louis Vuitton, Italian designer clothes me a man. Swaggerific, I'm so swaggerific. Swaggerific, we so swaggerific. Bang book a giant, you're one a midget. Looking at me account a pure 8-digit. Swaggerific, I'm so swaggerific. Swaggerific, we so swaggerific. Bang book a giant, you're one a midget. Big car me drive, your car not legit. Miss a GD girl, them a shout straight. When me a passing on me 520, yes. Figure to talk off of me, then care. Wait, with the DJ and the girls want her. Yes. This girl says she want me for swagger. Says she tired of the man where you nagger. She been a very naughty girl, she want me flagger. So me carry her in my loveness and shagger. Swaggerific, I'm so swaggerific. Swaggerific, I'm so swaggerific. Bang book a giant, you're one a midget. Looking at me account a pure 8-digit. Swaggerific, I'm so swaggerific. Swaggerific, we so swaggerific. Bang book a giant, you're one a midget. They can't be right.
In honor of the memory of the longest serving constituency secretary in the history of our 73-year-old party, Ralph Aaron Anglin of Eastern Westmoreland, I would like to donate in his memory $100,000.
Shot for my fashion. Want a clocks and me shot for the cash on. Even though man I hustle every day. When Friday come and can't see them away. No father got light and shine for me. So me not go stressing nobody. One day, me know me have to get my pay.
Lodgy, I liquid enough. Oh, Sean is up. You know the girl them is up. Hey, Goofy, watch a girl them.
Comrades, from the law firm Knight, Junior and Samuels, $100,000. From Region 6, $100,000. From K. Churchill Nita, $50,000. From the PNP Patriots, $25,000. Yes. Comrade Martin Kelly, one sharer. From Central Manchester, from the PNP councillors in Manchester, 2 sharers. Southeast St. Andrew, $30,000. Come now. Don't hold me up, man, please.
Lodges, I liquid enough. Oh. Sean is up. You know the girl them is up. Hey, go for watch a girl them. Sure, them girls stand up. Them girls stand up. Every girl in the dance to the them girls stand up. Oh. Ball it up, big girl, you know ramo. Lodger, sure, sure. But if you want to now be at the stand up. Oh. Good clothes, you know we are all broke. Oh. No man can if you want you mash up. If a girl a talk, tell her to talk up. Oh. What if you want to be at the stand up. Oh. Good clothes, you know we are all broke. Oh. No man can if you want you mash up. If a girl a talk, tell her to talk up. Girl, you rule, you wanna you come first. When you go and dance, money stash in your purse. Visit the bar, you know dead from thirst. When you see some girl, me say all the earth. Tell them to talk if them have something to say. Lodges, I liquid enough. Oh. Sean is up.
60,000. From Region 2, St. Mary, Portland, and St. Thomas, $60,000. From the Jamaica Progressive League, from the Jamaica National Movement, this is Greenback, $250. Multiply that by 85 or 86. When we were there, it was 70 something. So it's more Jamaican now. The man them devalue a dollar. Put your hands together for the Jamaica National Movement. From the constituency of West Kingston. And the condition under which this $10,000 is given is that Bruce must go. 10,000 from West Kingston. What Manchester? Peter Reid from Central Manchester, $30,000. From Winston Witter, a pledge of $100,000. And we're not going to get it until next month, but I am going for it. And he tells me I must come for it myself. 100,000. Comrade Michael Edwards, $10,000. Comrade Claude Hamilton, $2,000. A pledge from Southwest St. Anne. And I was there the other night. And I know that that is going to be in the winning column of the People's National Party, a pledge of $50,000. East Kingston and Port Royal, 2,100. St. Thomas again, another 1,000. And it is living cash. Councillor candidate Priscilla Archer Campbell of the Independent City Division, $10,000. Comrade Monica Daly, South West St. Catherine, $10,000.
No escape. Woman will padlock all gate. I know so right now. No, we can't wait. See it. We are the biggest man, but we are serious. I can't finish last back of the bed. Woman, sing on.
For the longest time we're jamming in the party, and you're waiting on me, pushing everything right back on top of me. Yeah. But if you think you're gonna get away from me, you better change your mind. You're going home. You're going home with me tonight. So let me hold you, conquer my body. You got me going crazy. Turn me on, let me.
Comrade Valentine Glaves, OC Guinea Pig, $100,000. Money, money, money. Those of you outside, if you pay, you will be able to come in.
For the longest time we're jamming in the party, and you're waiting on me, pushing everything right back on top of me. Yeah. But if you think you're gonna get away from me, you better change your mind. You're going home. You're going home with me tonight. So let me